was planning on making this type of video a few videos down the line from now, but the opportunity presented itself today, so sneak peek as to what's coming down the line on this channel. Small town car show that's happening a few towns away from where I live. I'm gonna walk around with the GoPro, take some pictures, POV style. Enjoy. There you go, a little sneak peek preview where the channel is going. We're heading back to photography, but on a budget. If you guys like this video, click the like button, hit the notification bell for future videos. Do me a favor, subscribe if you haven't already. It helps the channel and the algorithm, and we'll see you in the next video.